Hi everybody, it's Kenzie Knox and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be painting a rendition of a picture submitted by a paid subscriber to my YouTube channel, so thank you so much. I appreciate your love and support. So this painting has a nice little cigarette boat, I believe it's called, in the ocean, and with some trees and houses in the background, and so I'm going to paint it as if it were in the Caribbean. So we'll have some palm trees and whatnot, but let's go ahead and get started. This is probably going to take me a while, so I hope you enjoy the time-lapse version. As I wrap up this painting, I'd like to thank you again for your love and support. Please remember to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And until next time, I'll see you later. Okay, bye!